6607 kilohertz CW. The Morse code you're hearing here is Israeli Navy. They are on this frequency. And many others, I remember with good solar activity, sometimes we hear the one in the middle of the 13-meter broadcast band. So what they do is usually send VVV, DE, or from, and then they identify three times as 4XZ. And it's the Haifa Israeli Navy here. And from time to time, what they'll do is they'll break into coded messages, and it's usually parts of like 5-letter groups that are being sent of coded messages to the Navy, the Israeli Navy. There are quite a few frequencies that they are operating on, and just, mostly for the fun of knowing that you're listening to something that's out of Israel, basically. On 6607, the first time I had noticed that it was on this frequency, actually, was I was trying to listen to the Gander, Newfoundland weather volumet on 6604, and had noticed in upper sideband, which has a wider bandwidth, that there was something that looked like a Morse code station, just a little higher. And that's when I tuned up to 6607 to hear this. And I think that was the first time I had heard 4XZ out of Israel. So this is the story between of this little frequency and this little signal in CW. That is actually usually heard quite well and almost every evening here in the East Coast of North America in the evenings. If you do not have CW mode, a lot of portables don't, what you do is you tune yourself in upper sideband and you tune 1 kilohertz lower, which will give you the Morse code. It's a little trick that some might not realize, actually, to give it a good tone. And on some radios, you can play with the BFO and still stay on 6607 for listening to this station.